everyone, it's Kathy from the Art Process Studio. I'm happy that you're with me. I give you techniques and tips on how anything ranging from how to organize your studio, what best materials to get, techniques on mixed media and collage processes, but mostly I focus on being mindful and helping you to break your blocks, your creative blocks, whether you're a beginner or an advanced artist. We all have those blocks, and we all question ourselves all the time. We're very self-critical. So my focus is on being mindful, being free to create your best art, and I'm going to help you do that with all of my videos and classes, and hopefully you'll join in everything. Subscribe to these videos if you haven't yet, and you'll get them directly in your inbox, and your whole week will be inspirational. So enjoy what I have to offer. So I wanted to share with you this fun tip. My paints are always so disorganized. So I got this shoe holder that has, these transparent pockets, and I put my paints in them. So I've organized, like, these are all the blues. So I've got my aquas, my ultramarine, my phthalo blue, all along here. And I'm busy organizing the greens here. These are the off-whites over here. All the different whites and grays, and it really helps me, because otherwise I'm always jumbling around looking for my particular colors. So don't know how good it is for shoes, but it's great for paints.